Buenas.
Buenos días.
Samir Cafati.
Ajá, correcto. Bueno, hacia adelante.
Gracias. Permiso. Gracias. Foreplay with foreplay.
How are you? ¿O quiere hablar español para practicar?
No.
¿Cómo ha estado? Venga pues. ¿Qué tal? No sabía que venía.
This is Luis. He's the sales manager at Café el Indio.
¿Cómo están?
Estamos
¿Qué tal de viaje?
bien. La hora llegamos.
Puntuales. Yo creo que ustedes estaban en la gasolinera
My
esperando
partner,
que fuera la
Sam.
mera hora.
Sam
Para
Cafati.
ser sumamente puntual.
And his father, Kareem Cafati. And we're here at Café el Indio today. In Honduras, it's the largest coffee company in Latin America.
Dame con la doble.
It's beautiful.
Fíjese que Jesús venía para acá. Jesús venía para acá y le habló don Jesús es que miren, nosotros, bueno, ellos ya estaban esperando una cita con Juan Orlando.
Sí.
Y hoy se la dieron justamente, entonces se regresó. Pasen. Pasen adelante. Buena. Mucho gusto.
Hello from Honduras, city of Tegucigalpa. My partner and I, Sam Cafati, represent this brand for global distribution. So I hope you enjoyed the video of our tour, how they roast the coffee, how they package the coffee, and we look forward to being of service to you. Thank you so much.
Hi, hello. My name is Luis Carillas. I'm the sales manager for Gabriel Cafati. Actually, I'm very pleased and very happy to have Sherwin with us visiting.
Hello, I'm Samer Cafati. I'm international sales representative, and we are here in Gabriel Cafati factory.
The coffee roasting factory is that steam. It's not polluting the atmosphere. That's steam from the coffee roasters. Luis is the sales manager, and this is my partner, Sam Cafati. And our intention is to increase the world's coffee exports from Honduras. I have a question. Why is it that the world's that Honduras exports 3%, only 3% of the world's coffee?
Good question. Why?
Why? Is it the roads? Is it access to the plantations?
Brazil is the biggest producer in the world, right?
Right.
Brazil and Colombia, they are the biggest producers of Arabica coffee, right? So Honduras, being a small country,
I understand.
it's not a production issue. We export 80% of what we make, right?
Got it. Well, thank you so much.
highest quality of not the refactores.
This is computerized.
Yes, it's over there.
And this is private label as well. You do the hotel's coffee here, or Dunkin' Donuts coffee here.
Yes.
Here, if one client around the world says, okay, I want a type of coffee, but I want a unique coffee just for me. So that person can send someone of his confidence
Bon
and say,
appetit!
okay, I will send you someone, and that guy will tell you how we want
good.
your coffee, right? So with this machine, you can make your personal coffee.
That smells so good. Sam, what is this coffee?
¿Qué tú estabas haciendo? Espresso.
This is their first delivery truck.
Warehouse. We store
1940.
here the
Ford.
prime material for the production of the bags, the individual bags of the coffee. When you roast, a roaster is when you roast coffee, just coffee, right? And torrefactor is when you roast coffee mixed